Ursula Gertrude von der Leyen. Born October 8, 1958. In Nijnels, Brussels, Belgium. Lived in Nijnels, Brussels, Belgium, until she was 13 years old. In the family, she has been known since childhood as Russian, a diminutive of Rose. A German politician and the President of the European Commission since December 1, 2019. She served in the federal government of Germany from 2005 to 2019 as the longest-serving member of Angela Merkel's cabinet. She is a member of the center-right Christian Democratic Union (CDU) and its EU counterpart, the European People's Party (EPP). She was born and raised in Brussels to German parents. Her father Ernst Albrecht was one of the first European civil servants. She was brought up bilingually in German and French. She moved to Hanover in 1971, when her father entered politics to become minister-president of the state of Lower Saxony in 1976. As an economics student at the London School of Economics in the late 1970s, she lived under the name Rose Ladson, the family name of her American great-grandmother from Charleston, South Carolina. After graduating as a physician from the Hanover Medical School in 1987, she specialized in women's health. In 1986 she married fellow physician Heiko von der Leyen of the noble von der Leyen family of silk merchants. As a mother of 7 children, she was a housewife during parts of the 1990s and lived for 4 years in Stanford, California, while her husband was on faculty at Stanford University, returning to Germany in 1996. In the late 1990s, she became involved in local politics in the Hanover region, and she served as a cabinet minister in the state government of Lower Saxony from 2003 to 2005. In 2005, she joined the federal cabinet, first as Minister of Family Affairs and Youth from 2005 to 2009, then as Minister of Labor and Social Affairs from 2009 to 2013, and finally as Minister of Defense from 2013 to 2019, the first woman to serve as German Defense Minister. When she left office, she was the only minister to have served continuously in Angela Merkel's cabinet since Merkel became chancellor. She served as a deputy leader of the CDU from 2010 to 2019, and has previously been regarded as a leading contender to succeed Merkel as chancellor and as the favorite to become Secretary General of NATO. On July 2, 2019, von der Leyen was proposed by the European Council as the candidate for the office of President of the European Commission. She was elected by the European Parliament on 16 July. She is the first woman to become President of the European Commission. Von der Leyen's family coat of arms. 2005 campaign poster featuring von der Leyen. Keen equestrian and competitive horse rider Ursula von der Leyen at a horse show in Hagen, 2013. Von der Leyen with German soldiers during a visit to the Field Marshal Rommel Barracks, Augustdorf, 2014. Von der Leyen and General Bakir Erkan van, far left, the commander of Incirlik Air Base, who was accused of complicity in the 2016 Turkish coup d'état attempt. Von der Leyen during the MSC 2017. Ursula von der Leyen with U.S. Secretary of Defense Ashton Carter, 2015 in Berlin. German Defense Minister Ursula von der Leyen after being received by Vice Admiral Carvey, Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command during her visit to India. Von der Leyen and Henry Kissinger at the Munich Security Conference in 2014. Ursula von der Leyen presents her vision to the European Parliament on July 16, 2019. Manfred Weber, Annegret Kramp-Karrenbauer and von der Leyen in April 2019. Nancy Pelosi at 2019 united von der Leyen and Russian President Vladimir Putin at the International Conference on Libya, January 19, 2020. Von der Leyen with U.S. President Donald Trump in January 2020. Ursula von der Leyen. Subscribe. Share. Like. Thanks for watching.